Welcome to Works Toys. My name is Gene Kazminski, and I just wanted to say a few things about Shenzhen Leader Display. We've been doing business with them now since I think 2012. We do displayers like these. These are sort of in-store floor displayers. We do a lot of different things for our brands, but we've shop compared them with countless suppliers. We get constantly inundated with different vendors that are in this business and are offering lower pricing and things. And a few times when we have gone off, the communication's been terrible. Projects sort of fall off the radar for people, and sometimes they'll quote one cost, and at the end the cost becomes something else. So there's always these funny things when dealing with China. It's never that easy. But with Leader Display, our results have always been consistent, and that's why we've always come back to them. Their service is great. Their follow-through is great. The communication is good. The English is good. So I think that's the key thing that we look for. And if we had to give Shenzhen a recommendation, it would be a 10 out of 10. They really are that good. Thanks for listening.